Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Cope Designed. If you saw my previous video, you know I've owned this Tundra Rock Warrior for 2 years. It's a 2011, and I really like this truck, and I bought it to do more off-roading that the van is incapable of doing because of its size. The overall goal is to build a mild overland truck. That's the plan. I'm not going to get all crazy. I'm not going to get too deep financially. So some of the ideas that I have, so I'm going to get a topper. In California, we call them camper shells. Ideally, it would be paint matched. I'm not going to paint it, but it would be similar to the color that I have here. It would have those windows that pop out on the side, those access windows, and would have a roof rack. That roof rack, I'm going to put a cargo box on top. And in that cargo box, I'll keep camp chairs, I'll keep a shovel, I'll keep a chainsaw, and I'll keep just all those little things that you need when you're out there camping or on the trail. I want to put a front hitch on the vehicle for bikes. In the back seat, I'll build like a little system there. I'm not going to get a fridge like I have in the van. I got a cooler already. I'm just going to use a cooler because this is primarily going to be used for 4 and 5 day trips, where the van, as you know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, we take the van out for a month or 6 weeks at a time. This is going to be for 4 or 5 day or weekend trips where 4x4 is essentially required. So today I'm going to build a little drawer system here for the truck bed. Something to keep my camping equipment, something to keep food, something to keep cookware, something to keep tools. So I bought 1/2-inch plywood for the base, 1/2-inch plywood for the bed platform, and I've got 2x8 pieces that are going to kind of keep everything together, and that'll be the dividers for the drawer system. And that's what the plan is today. I'm going to make us a little overland build, so come along as we outfit this Tundra for some 4x4 adventures. Let's get these shelves built. So we're going to rip this piece of wood here. This is the second drawer bottom. So we rip this bad boy, and then we carpet it, and then we assemble those drawers, baby. Okay folks, so I'm going to put the finishing touches on the second drawer, and there's a few things I'm going to finish up. So I'm going to end this video here. So come back next week, maybe next whenever, who knows. Come back next week if you want to see the finished product. Thank you for tuning in to Cope Design. Hey, always remember, take it slow. Peace.